Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. So in the previous video we had discussed what is internal CSS and how we can apply internal CSS in our HTML pages. So in this video we will see what are classes and IDs in CSS and how we can use classes and IDs in CSS and how we can style our web page using classes and IDs. So if you want to see any blog regarding my videos, kindly check my website. The link will be in the description. So let's jump to our editor. So the first thing that come in our mind is that why we use classes and why we use IDs. So what if we had multiple paragraphs in our web page? Suppose we had 5 or 10 paragraphs in our web page and we want 5 of them to have this one type of styling, 2 of them have a different type of styling and other 3 have some different type of styling. So for that thing we use class attribute or we use classes for doing this. And if we have multiple paragraph tags and we want to apply some kind of styling in only one paragraph and we want that style applied on that paragraph, so for that thing we use IDs. So I hope you have to understand the difference between IDs and classes. So we can give same class to multiple HTML tags, but each HTML tag will have only one ID and the ID will be unique. So you can't give same ID to 2 tags in HTML, but you can give classes the same class to multiple tags in HTML. So this is the basic difference between classes and IDs, that we use classes to style multiple tags and we use IDs to style only that specific tag. So let me just remove this thing. So let me copy paste the same paragraph. So we will have a couple of paragraphs more. So what if you want to style these 3 paragraphs with a different styling, these 3 with a different and these 2 with a different. So first we will see how to use classes in CSS. So to give class to any tag we will just write class and the name of class. So we will so let's suppose we want these 3 paragraphs to be red. So I will name the class red. So I will give the same class to remaining 2 paragraph tags like this. So when we apply styling to this class, the red class, only these three paragraphs will get those changes and the remaining paragraph tags will remain the same. So to apply styling on CSS styling on class, we will use dot operator. So we will write dot and then the class name. Okay, and then the same brackets. So let's suppose we want to change the color. So write the color and we want the color to be red. So red, and we want the font size to be 200%. So you can see that these 3 paragraphs had the styling, but there is no effect on the remaining paragraphs. So this is how classes work. So let's pause the video. I had a challenge for you. So pause the video and apply a green class on these 3 paragraphs and a brown class to these 2 paragraphs. so that the color of these three paragraphs turn into green and the color of these two paragraphs turn into brown. So I hope you had done that. So for this we will give these three paragraphs a class. Let's suppose we want the class green. So just copy this class and paste it over here. And we will give class. So let's just save it. So you can see that these three paragraphs has the green color and these two paragraphs had the brown color. So this is how classes work. I hope you had understand how we will use classes in HTML tags. So now we will see how to use IDs in HTML tag. So let's suppose we want this paragraph has the font size of 500%, or also we want this paragraph to be bold. So how we will do this? So we can't apply styling on p tag, because if we apply style on p tag, it will the style will automatically applied on all the paragraphs. And if you apply style on the red class, then these three paragraphs will get the same style. So if you want only to style this paragraph tag, for that we will give this paragraph a unique ID. So to give ID, we will write ID and we will give it, and so we will give this ID gigs. So just like to style or to use classes in CSS, we use dot operator. So just like the same for using IDs in CSS, we use hash operator. So we will write hash and fix and write font size, font weight to be bold, and color we want blue. Also change the font size, so just say 300%. Let's do it 400% so you can see it clearly. So you can see that our that paragraph had become bold and also had the size of 400% and also had the color of blue. So the ID style had override the style of class, because we had given this paragraph a unique style using its ID. So this is how we use IDs in CSS. So there is a little more challenge for you. So apply one style, which is font weight, on this paragraph only. So I hope you have done that. For that we will write ID, and let's suppose we will give it the ID as lazy. So we will write again hash and then lazy and then the font weight bold. So you can see that the weight of this paragraph is now bold. Let me just increase the size, font size to 100%. So you can see that clearly now. So this is how we use classes and IDs in CSS. So if you have any question regarding how we can use IDs, or if you want to give any suggestions, so kindly comment below. So this is all for this video. If you want to see the blog, so kindly check my website. So thank you.